we have noticed that we have still a gap in our portfolio between our standard and near standard slip rings and our customized models for special applications. This gap we now fill with our new series SR130. It has a round shape with an outer diameter of 130 millimeters, and with this diameter we enable our customers to use a hollow shaft of maximum 50 millimeters for his own purpose. As contact technology, we use single wire techniques, which allows us a very flexible length. This technology is widely used already in our smaller slip rings over many years. The target sector for this new series is the general mechanical engineering and wherever there are rotating assembly platforms. Representative are rotary indexing tables, filling lines, assembly platforms in automotive industry and similar machines that use round process management. But also we see big opportunities in inline inspection equipment. This new series will be launched to the market towards the end of the year, being available in many variations.